Okay, today, welcome to Mr. God Fitness channel. Today what I want to show you today is how to fix a lower back pain. There are so many people complaining that they have lower back pain. There are ways to fix it in the gym and even in a massage and even in the hospital as well, but I prefer using the gym. If you have it, a lower back pain, there are ways to fix it. All you need to do is to get a dumbbell wherever you can get a dumbbell. I have one here. You see, this is a dumbbell and it's a 7 kg dumbbell. It's not that heavy. Anybody can use it. All you need to do is to find a way to balance yourself. Then you see, you don't squeeze your knees. You leave your knees standing. If possible, lock your knees so that your leg will be very straight. Then all you need to do, you release the back. You see, you stretch. You keep going. Let's go 1 to 10. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. This is the next one. You see, you balance this way. You go 1, 2. You stretch it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. You can go. You get a smaller one. All right. The one you can hold. You position yourself this way. You hold it. Then you balance. All right. So that when you twist, you can be able to twist your back as well. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. And then you come back to this again. All right? You go. See, this one is not for your shoulder. It's not this one that you go this way. This one you release. You get? Because you're targeting something which is your lower back. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. So that is how to fix a lower back pain. If you are having problem with it, there are many exercises which I cannot show here for you today, and I will upload them for you to see. And there is this leg raising that you do. All right, leg raising is very good. Like hanging your leg upside down is good too. All right, so those you can do at home. If you have lower back pain, please don't go and waste money. There are ways to fix it. Your body can grow. All right, don't go and waste money. But it's good if you go to hospital as well for the doctor to know what is wrong with you. It's not bad that you can go for checkup or go for scan. But still yet, if you know that it's a minor pain and you know what to do, that your waist is paining you, then at least you know what to do. God bless you. Subscribe.